Acqua Di Gio Parfum. Released during 2022. True follow-up to the original Gio 1996 variant but intense with mineral zestfulness. Similar formulation to Armani Acqua Di Gio Profondo but way better. The fact that the DNA of Aqua still remains throughout all variants. Clear aromatic liquid is not intoxicating, not comforting to the wearer, and gives no buzz to the brain. In a way won't have no effect on one's sense of reality. After a few hours the ocean effect gradually transitions into a kind of stinging salty spicy lingering aftertaste after a while. The scent gives a vibe like salty ocean waves splashing against the wet sand on a beach. As a result, wispy, salty, watery sensations are produced. Can be hailed, in my perspective, as a super modern version. You will need 3 squirts on each side on neck. Any more and the experience will unfold you as an air freshener for the room. Spraying less is a hallmark of an excellent fragrance. There are still minute bubbles present after 6 hours of drying down. Some buyers will be concerned how expensive this luxury liquid is. Overpriced comes to mind here. Price range £82 to £100. There is separate expensive refill 150ml bottle to buy in case you're crazy enough to want to top it up. £52 to £110 is the price range. Personal verdict. Significantly superior to the original 1996 fragrance. Perhaps the best oceanic odor. It won't have a profound impact on other people sniffing it off you. Compared to the intensity of the effects in Armani Profumo or Armani Code Parfum, it's remarkable how little this centers on the sense of smell. Buy once and maybe buy again. Score 7 out of 10.